Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Zach. Jenna. And Dwight.
And I'm Dwight, the owner of the phone. And we got a little bit of snails.
A little bit, boy. It's like.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, y'all barely can see them. Let me take
They
some.
got like 11.
Look.
Yeah, you see that? Ooh. You got a big one.
I know. It feel weird, y'all. Even the girl doing it. Wow. Even the boy's not doing it. Well, I'm a boy.
Okay. I can't really see any. Let's see one.
Y'all see? Snails. Look, let's put them back in the water. Because they're not really that much of a land snail.
Yeah, these water snails. They're the only type of snail that can breathe in the water.
Don't want me to go get more water?
No.
No. You look, y'all stay right here. I'm going to get more snails. All right.
Why are you finding the snails?
If you want to come see you.
Yeah, where is he finding the snails?
I'm going to come with you. We gotta come with you. Yeah. We gotta take a video about how you finding them.
Wow.
We probably someone else took her to.
Huh?
Yeah, we made all this with just sticks. We ain't used no shovels.
Bro, how can I get them, though?
Just pick up a stick.
No, dude.
Let me see it.
Hold up.
Oh, we can't see Jack.
Wait, I think
That glare terrible. Oh, we can see it.
We need a stick.
There's a stick right there.
I ain't picking that up.
Oh yeah, we did find ringworm in here before. Bro, what the heck is that?
What is that? It's blue. Bro, that looks like a snake.
No! That rock. It got something shining on
Let
it.
me show him from right here. It's right there.
Oh, what the I see that!
What?
Y'all see that?
You see that?
No.
Right there, come here. You see that yellow thing right beneath that piece of grass?
That's not a snake.
But
dude.
what is that? Let me see it.
Boy, that's a baby bottle type thingy.
A baby what?
Baby bottle type thingy.
A baby bottle.
A nipple. A nook. Whatever you.
Oh.
Wait, I think I know what it is.
Oh, look, there's a snail right there.
Oh yeah, we see that?
That's dead. Yo,
'Cause that's a land snail.
I know. Look. Yo, I think I know what some more.
See that snail right there? It's dead.
I plucked the snail. Like I put sticks, like those 4 sticks.
Wait, is there more snails?
No.
No.
Yeah, come on.
Wait,
Come on.
I see some.
Come on, B.
No,
Yeah, that one's dead. Okay, guys, the video is probably about to end because this dude doesn't have enough storage. Oh, no, never mind. He just deleted a lot of pictures. But the video might end, like, on accident because he ain't got enough storage. He might. I don't know. Look, Jenna did a really smart thing. She blocked all the snails from leaving.